Good morning, child psychology students. It is Dr. Wright, and we are working on Unit 13 this week, which will focus on our social and emotional development for our 2 to 6-year-olds. So you'll be using Unit 13 in order to learn more about that, which includes all of our readings and the assignments for the week. Um, you will be working with a group for your Unit 13 activity. Now, keep in mind that this group is not the same group as your flatmates or your group that you worked with for the last group assignment. So if you go into the groups area and you look for Unit 13, then you'll see that's the group that you will be working with in order to do this assignment. So this assignment will require your group to find a primary source related to a topic in Unit 13. And then as a group, you will summarize that source. So you'll summarize the introduction, which includes the hypothesis. You'll summarize the method, which includes the sample and how the sample was recruited. You'll summarize the methods in terms of how the data was gathered, and then you will summarize the results and limitations, and then provide the APA style reference for your source. So it's probably a good idea to break up the work into pieces so that people can work on it together. And if you're one who usually starts off or does your work a little bit later in the week, I highly suggest that you get started on the group assignment Monday or Tuesday, so today or tomorrow, so that it can get done, because working online with a group can be challenging in terms of getting organized and all that fun stuff. So um, you definitely want to be doing the Unit 13 reading as well as working with your group to find a source and start to summarize part of that source. And as I said, it might be a good idea to figure out kind of a leader for the group who makes sure that all of the pieces get done, and then also have each person assigned to a different section of the article to summarize it, then work together to make sure that it's kind of cohesive, even though it was written by multiple people, and then use the rubric to go through what you have written, what you want to submit, and make sure that it meets all of the criteria. Your next case study is going to be due on Friday, April 25th. So you want to be working on that as well. So the Unit 13 discussion for your group is due by Saturday. It's listed by Saturday, but also we do have the college's Easter holiday this weekend. So everything can be and will be open until Monday, April 21st, and nothing will be considered late as long as it is submitted by April 21st. So keep in mind that that really gives everyone a extra 3-day extension. So there will not be extra extensions on that assignment. Okay, so if you have any questions about this week's content, if you'd like me to do a short video explaining some concepts from the unit that are challenging to you, let me know and I can prepare that for you. If you have any questions that you would like to meet with me about via Zoom, send me a message and we can set up a time that works for both of us. Thanks.